Dad,
Yes, son.
I want to know about the birds and the bees.
Want to know about what?
The birds and the bees.
Why you want to know about that?
Let me tell you.
Go.
Dad, I wanna know about the birds and the bees. I really wanna know. Would you tell me, please? I wanna know what it all means, but I wanna know from you. Can you tell me something now, or at least give me a clue? Am I too young to do, or have to wait till I'm a teen? I need for you to tell me, cause soon I'll be 13. Got a lot of questions, and Google got some answers. It also got pictures and videos that are gangster. Dad, I wanna know about the birds and the bees. I really wanna know. Would you tell me, please?
I guess it's about time that we sit down and have this talk. I used to be your age, so I've been around the block. There's no need to be concerned about sex at your age. Everything comes at the right time. Do not rush to flip the page. Your hormones are not changing, so you're feeling horny. And this feeling is normal to go through your body. Acknowledge the sensation, but do not give in. If you do not feel guilty. It is not a sin. Sexual energy is power that creates more than just life. You learn to use it wisely and you get the best in life. Sexual energy is power that creates more than just life. You learn to use it wisely and you get the best in life, son.
Thank you.
Wanna read my book, so you need to get the fuck out.